Have you ever been interrupted, ignored, or treated as though your words did not matter, even when you knew you had something valuable to say? The painful truth is that people often decide how much respect to give you before they fully understand who you are. In this video, you will learn 7 psychological techniques that make people listen more carefully, value your presence, and take you more seriously without becoming loud, aggressive, or fake. Because respect is rarely created in one dramatic moment. It is built through small psychological cues. And the 5th one feels completely backward. Number 1, use silence. Most people answer quickly because silence feels dangerous. So the next time someone asks you an important question, wait for 2 or 3 seconds before responding. Then speak. And when your point is finished, stop. Do not repeat it. Do not soften it. Do not rush to explain what you already made clear. Silence makes your words feel deliberate. Number 2, control your posture. People read your body before they process your argument. Relax your shoulders, plant your feet, keep your hands visible, and stop folding yourself into the smallest possible space. You do not need to dominate the room. You only need to look comfortable occupying it. Number 3, match their rhythm. People naturally trust what feels familiar. If someone speaks slowly, slow down. If their tone is calm, lower your energy. If they lean forward during an important moment, you can subtly do the same a few seconds later. Do not copy them. Meet them at a pace their nervous system already understands. When your rhythm feels compatible, resistance begins to drop. Number 4, use their name. A person's name immediately captures their attention, but you use it naturally. That is a good point, Sarah. John, what do you think? Even more powerful, remember something they told you. Ask about the interview, the deadline, the presentation. People respect those who make them feel remembered. Number 5, ask for a small favor. Here is the backward one. Ask someone for one small, specific piece of advice. You are great at presentations. What would you improve here? Now, they are not merely speaking to you, they are investing in you. Keep the request small, keep it genuine, and never pretend to be helpless. And if this is already changing how you see everyday interactions, subscribe to Psych Signals. We break down the hidden psychology behind human behavior every week without the usual vague advice. Now, the final 2 principles are where respect turns into real influence. Number 6, frame the problem first. Do not rush to display your solution. First, show that you understand the difficulty. That makes sense. But here is where it may fail. Then introduce your idea. People value an answer more when they believe you truly understood the problem. Understanding gives your words weight. Number 7, give value first. Share useful information. Make thoughtful introductions. Offer specific, genuine praise, but never keep score. Because the moment generosity feels like a hidden transaction, its power disappears. People remember the person who made their work easier, their thinking clearer, or their day slightly better. Genuine value creates influence without demanding it. Real respect does not come from forcing people to notice you. It comes from teaching them, through your behavior, that your words have weight, your presence has value, and your attention is worth earning. And once you understand that, you stop chasing respect. You start creating it. And while we are talking about the signals people notice without realizing it, there is another video on your screen about 9 strange habits linked to intelligence. You may recognize more of them in yourself than you expect. Go watch that one next. I will see you over there.